Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Roth IRA contributions with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Roth IRA contributions with Fidelity, begin by visiting the Fidelity website. Log into your Fidelity account using your registered username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Open an Account option. Once logged in, locate the Accounts and Trade menu at the top of the page. Hover over the menu to reveal the drop-down options. Select Retirement Accounts from the list. Choose your Roth IRA account from the available account options. Next, click on Contribute to begin the contribution process. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to contribute. Ensure that you stay within the annual contribution limits set by the IRS. After entering the contribution amount, select the funding source for your contribution. You can choose a linked bank account or other eligible funding sources. Review the contribution details to verify correctness. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. On the next screen, you may have the option to designate how your contribution will be invested. Choose your investment options based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Finally, confirm and authorize the contribution by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Keep a record of your transaction for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized your Roth IRA contributions with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.